Viking Plastics, we are industry leaders in sealing solutions for the automotive industry. We offer an entire product line of disposable shipping caps, including slimlines, seal washers, peanut caps, and compressor caps available in a range of connection sizes to meet your sealing needs. Our disposable shipping caps provide a stable and unique solution for sealing off dirt, debris, or moisture. They protect connectors from damage and ensure proper alignment and seal by the OEM. Sealing at Viking guarantees consistency and product quality throughout the shipping and assembly processes. With continuous innovations in the automotive industry, it's crucial for the engineering and design aspects to constantly adapt to new challenges. Whether you need a standard sealing solution or a custom-designed protective cap, Viking Plastics is committed to delivering innovative and reliable products that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Count on us for excellence in sealing technology and exceptional customer service to fulfill all your sealing and protective cap needs. Contact us at 814-664-8671 or email sales@vikingplastics.com for more information.